Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing FLR network, accessing the real world. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners. For the exchange, we've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with FLR in real time, any new information or post from the official handles and the community. Let's find out. Let's start with official handles and let's see what Hugo has to offer in this coverage. So this is into the block. Here's an overview of the FLR network's DeFi ecosystem. Want to dive into the data? Check out the free dashboard. Look at this, folks. Historic TVL by protocol. Yeah, RWA liquid staking 26.78%, RWA 31.19%, DEXs 24.36%, lending 13.75%, liquidity manager 2.22%, derivatives 0.88%. Awesome. With the approval of FIP.12, the FLR data connector is now live on FLR networks. The FDC is ready to support the attestation types required for the FAssets main launch. The new reward structure is now in effect with inflation rewards distributed as follows. Let's find out. Okay, as follows, 30% to FLR staking. You can see that this is the structure, folks. We've got 35% to FTSO, 70% of this, 24.5% of total inflation for anchor feeds, 30%, 10.5% of total inflation for block latency feeds, 35% to FDC, folks, the FLR data connector. Okay. The user fees will be distributed based on provider participation and active weight. The first reward distribution under this structure will take place on Songbird on February 20th, followed by FLR on March 6th, folks. So it is near. March 6th is near. We are already in February 20th. So and we'll continue thereafter. You can check out the FLR data connector white paper, see how FTC attestation submission works. Big new FLR fam. There was a really interesting post that Hugo had reposted. Let me take you there. Okay, where was it? Yeah, this one. This is the one I wanted to share with you, folks. This is February 19th by Chainspace. Hugo has reposted this. So look at this. Introducing FLR networks, a thread. Imagine a blockchain that can access real-world data and connect with other blockchains seamlessly. That is FLR networks, a layer 1 blockchain built for true interoperability. Interoperability is in a project is the way is a path that every blockchain project needs to take for it to achieve significant milestones like connecting legacy systems, connecting different blockchains, and sharing data and a lot of different stuff, folks. So here's why it is a game changer for Web3. So let's find out why, folks. This was a really interesting thread, folks, introducing FLR. Okay, so first and foremost, the problem with most blockchains work in isolation. Obviously, for security purposes and a lot of different reasons, most blockchains indeed work in isolation. They cannot access external data without relying on centralized oracles, and this can compromise the security of a network or blockchain as well, which can be risky, and it indeed is. Imagine if these huge institutions and financial giants eventually use a project and they are relying on third party oracles. I mean, that is a security risk, despite that oracle being really good and whatever the reason might be. But it indeed is risky. It is a threat, to be honest. Flare Networks changes this by providing a secure, decentralized way to fetch data on chain. So without relying on centralized entities, centralized third parties. So how does Flare work? How Flare Networks works, it has two powerful protocols. The state connector, it verifies real-world and blockchain data securely. And the F assets, it brings assets from non-smart contract chains like BTC and Doge into DeFi. So you can deep dive and check this out, flare.xyz/technology. Anyways, so why does Flare Networks stand out? Flare isn't just another blockchain. It is an infrastructure for multi-chain innovation. It has three checklists over here. It has decentralized data access, number one. Number two, it has secure cross-chain transactions. Number three, it is EVM compatible for easy dApp development. Basically, developers can build better on it. The future of layer networks, as the Web3 space grows, interoperability will be key. It is already working with major projects to enable real-world use cases in DeFi, gaming, and beyond. Not just DeFi, gaming, folks, it is trying to disrupt different segments and sectors all over finance, folks. And even if you look at how huge F assets can be, it is disrupting trillions, guys. BTC is already above trillions. XRP is expected to reach trillions as well, and it wants to provide DeFi use cases to those projects that do not have intrinsic and innate smart contract capabilities. So these are huge use cases, folks, and all while being decentralized and secure. Anyways, a really good thread, this one. Let us move ahead and let's see if there is anything interesting for us. Okay, there's 5 days until FXRP minting is disabled, then another 30 days to redeem. This includes removing your SGB collateral. This is great. Look at this. Vault capacity. Builders, we're heading to Denver. This time we're bringing brunch to a mansion. Good food, great builders, and zero gates. Just vibes. Builders Mansion Brunch. This is great. The builders, those that are interested, they can go and check this out February 26th. It is powered by Flare Networks, and you can check with whom. Who are they? With Sablier. Infrastructure for on-chain token distribution. DAOs and businesses use Sablier for vesting, payroll, airdrops, and more. Cool. Somnia Network, a fully on-chain. Okay. For millions of users, the fastest 1 million plus TPS and most cost-effective EVM layer 1 blockchain with multi-stream consensus, bringing entire world's data fully on chain. I do not know if this 1 million plus TPS is real or not. I do not really know. But look at the followers over here, 366.5k followers. Anyways, Magnat Digital over here, token management on autopilot. 30 billion plus TVL, fast and secure airdrops, token vesting, claim portals, and more on Solana, Ethereum, Aptos. Anyways, folks, let's see okay, so let's check this one out and then we can go on and check what is happening with the community. So this Dan Rocky, whenever I see the name of Dan Rocky, he always has something interesting when it comes to Flare. Anyways, the next chapter for F assets is imminent. FXRP wind down period starts February 24th and will last 1 month. And FBTC is launched on Songbird before the end of Feb. So the question remains, will FXRP launch on mainnet before the end of the wind down period, March 24th? Regardless, the waiting time is almost over. So folks, do you think that the waiting time is almost over? Because we've waited for a while now. We've waited too long, that's for sure. Let's hope that it indeed is over. And if you plan to bridge XRP to FXRP, you better be ready on launch day. Look at this. February 18th, huge milestone for F assets on Songbird. We saw almost 12k minting transactions, enabling 676k XRP and 9 million Doge for DeFi in just 2 months, folks. So get ready for the next stage. FXRP sunsets and welcome FBTC. So this is the testing phase that is ongoing. Let's hope that it ends soon. Onward to mainnet, the launch of F assets on the mainnet is on the horizon. It is set to mark a new era in bridging liquidity from multi-trillion-dollar markets to DeFi. Now, this is what I was talking about, folks. Bridging multi-trillion-dollar markets to DeFi, folks. F assets v2 is coming to bring unlimited minting for users. Stay tuned. Let's see what's happening with the community while we're at it, folks. Okay, so anything new? Connect everything. Stall Sun. Okay, FLR network. Grok 3 thinks FLR could 36x and hit 73 cents. How high will FLR go this bull run? Okay, with FLR network's multi-chain DeFi integration, including Bitcoin, various price prediction models, suggest that FLR could potentially reach 73 cents. It's been a long and dreary Wave 2 correction since December, but I'm still confident FLR is gearing up for imminent 10x. This is February 16th. Look at this. A bit of technical doesn't hurt. Support over here. This is a bit old. I do not know where the price is at the moment. Has it broken down? Or this chart is still relevant? You guys can check this out. But regardless, this is the Wave 1. 2, and you know that the third one is the highest. It is the most vigorous. The Elliott wave third is the most vigorous. So the correction over here, fourth, and then we've got fifth to 22 cents, folks. Let's hope that this happens. Anyways, FLR is here to replace Chainlink 1 cent for all. Okay. The problem is the need for a custodian to control the underlying Bitcoin. If only we had real cheap, fast, decentralized, trustless bridges. Almost everyone in crypto is working on this. Jewel Cats, I think the next stage of FLR's development could be interesting to you and to the XRPL. Indeed, it can be truly interesting. Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about FLR network? Do you think that the waiting time is indeed over? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, folks, you can also comment that if you believe that FLR network is going to give a 36x like the post suggested or not this bull run. I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.